Island Resort is a fantastic place to come for a golf group, a family retreat, a board retreat, just for a casual weekend because of its simplicity, its authenticity. It's an integration of nature, the flora, the fauna, the animals on the island. We have the largest marsh reserve on one side of the island, the Atlantic Ocean on the other, and then at the tip, a fabulous deep sea marina.
Fripp is a great place for golf groups because of the 2 courses that it has on the island there. Ocean Point Golf Links is a beautiful course with some great views of the ocean. Ocean Creek Golf Course is a little bit newer of the course, but is on the marsh side of the island. Both courses have some great differences where each have its own challenges and difficulties, but also provide a great test.
Well, the coolest part of the new renovations by Dye Designs groups, they came in and redesigned a George Cobb design golf course. They cut in a lot of waste areas to frame the fairways and then create a nice beach aesthetic. All the bunkering around the greens have been redesigned. Cart paths have been taken out and crushed limestone paths to again give a nice beachy flavor to it.
We love the design. It's always been one of the top rated courses in the state. And so we wanted to make sure that we respected the integrity of George's design, but at the same time, to make the property relevant for this next generation of players and just, bring it into a more contemporary theme and feel while maintaining that heritage.
The golf course is structured with many different tee options. Our back tee or championship tees will create an excellent challenge for a low handicapper player. We have tees ranging all the way up to what we call the wee tees for our juniors, which makes the golf course very accessible and enjoyable to them. So it creates a great atmosphere for the families and for real elite players also.
Fripp's a very unique destination for a golf trip just because it's a nice, laid-back, relaxed vibe. It's a small island that is easily accessible by golf cart where you can get to both golf courses very quickly and easily. There's miles worth of beach land that has some great views on it as well. Just a nice, relaxed, laid-back place.